Hey everybody, this is Jay here at Action Power Sports in beautiful Waukesha, Wisconsin on this slightly rainy day. But you know what? Rain doesn't hurt anything here because we've got this 2018 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 with so many accessories on it. I hope I can get it all in this minute-long video. It's got some additional lighting, as you can see, the front bumper guard on it, upgraded rims and tires, the full cab unit on it. This thing is riding high and is ready to go hit the trail. Has the full cab system on it, including the windshield wiper, which is a powered windshield wiper. And this thing only has a little over 70 miles on it. So if you'd like more information on this 2018 Polaris Ranger XP 1000, hit me up. This is Jay here at Action Power Sports, where I'd be honored to put this machine into your garage.